if you have nothing good to say, just keep quiet. I always say this. I mean, why does the European standard of beauty matter in Africa? Who told you that these features are not the best in Africa? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. My name is Ponzo, right? So yesterday I was scrolling through Twitter and I see this post where Kosi was attending the Glamour Awards. She looked beautiful, she looked gorgeous. And then this other lady was like, Umubi Lumtwan, meaning that the girl is very ugly. And to myself, I'm like, girl, what do you know? Like, what do you know? What makes you think that you can judge someone's beauty? Right? I mean, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And one thing that I've realized is that as African girls who are being shamed for some things, that if a European girl will have it, we're gonna have like a big thing like this is so gorgeous, this is so exotic, this is so what. And it's not exotic. I'll give you an example. Girls with fuller lips like myself, these lips are not considered to be the most beautiful lips. But Angelina Jolie with ample of a fuller lip, she was like the most girl with the most beautiful lips to ever exist. But there's me, there's Kosi, there's another lady who have that. It's nothing. And then most of, I think over 70% of South African girl, they have Kim Kardashian body naturally, even my little sister. So they will say that this is considered to be fat, this is what you have to exercise, lose your weight. And then Kim Kardashian does it, they say we want Kim Kardashian body. But what's wrong with you? I mean, why do you always have to be so negative about African beauty until someone in a European world or Western world does it and then you praise it? I mean, to me, it's more like you guys, you don't want to appreciate what you have in Africa. The truth is that the beauty will lie in the eye of the beholder. And actually, to me, I don't rate beauty as a pretty face. I think there's a pretty face and then there is a beauty. The beauty of the person come with the character, come with how you treat people, come with how you handle yourself. Some people, they treat themselves as if they're like some strat mates. They don't respect themselves. There's no beauty in that. You can be pretty face however you want, but if you don't treat people good, if you're not carrying yourself good, your character is bad. And based on African, because I'm an African person, I just hate it, hey?